Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect ROUVY to STRAVA. So let's go right into it. Log in or sign up to your account at rouvy.com and then navigate to the connected apps. So click at the profile picture at the top right corner and then select the connected apps and devices just like that. And right here you can scroll down a little bit and you will see Strava. So connect to upload ROUVY activities to Strava and import outdoor rides. So if you click here to connect, you will be redirected here. So ROUVY will be able, then you will see here, view your private non-activity data such as segments and routes. View your complete Strava profile, view data about your private activities, upload your activity from ROUVY to Strava. And if you are okay with that, you can uncheck something if you don't want. And when you are ready with that, just click authorize and you will be good to go. You will connect ROUVY to Strava. So this is one way how you can connect ROUVY and Strava together. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.